In this video, we will see how to fix error device is missing important updates error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are continuously receiving this message even after your all update, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is open settings page, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to system, and from the right side, look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here choose other troubleshooters. Here you will find Windows Update Troubleshooters. Click on Run. Windows will now detecting problems. It will not only detect the issue. Windows Update Troubleshoot is an important tool of Windows system. Wait for some times. Follow on a screen instruction to complete the troubleshooting process and check whether you are still receiving such type of message or not. Go to the next fixes, and the next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Choose run as administrator, and in command prompt Windows execute these three DISM tool one by one: DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And after that, execute the command sfc scan now. Type sfc / scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad files or corrupted files in your system. Wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether you are still receiving your message. If you are still receiving such type of message, then go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose run. Here type services.msc, services.msc, and click on OK. This command will open services windows in your system. In services windows, you will have to start or restart Windows Update related services. So the first one is background intelligent transfer services. Right click on it and choose start, otherwise restart. If you already found it in start mode, then restart it. And thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic, and click on apply and OK to save the changes. The second services is cryptographic services. Same process, right click on it and choose a start, otherwise restart it. Apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. And the third one is Windows installer services. Scroll down and find out Windows installer services. Same process, right click on it and choose a start, otherwise restart. Apply a double click on it to open its properties, but you can't change its startup type, so close the windows. And the last one is Windows update services. Right click on it, choose start or restart, and thereafter apply a double click on it to open its properties and set a startup type as automatic and choose apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether you are still receiving such type of message. If yes, then go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute Windows update components as shown on a screen. Execute these Windows update components one by one, followed by enter key on each time. First, this command to stop these 4 services. One by one execute it in command prompt Windows, followed by enter key on each time. And thereafter execute all these Windows update components one by one. All this command is also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. So simply copy it from my description box and paste it in command prompt windows one by one, followed by enter key on each time. Thereafter start all those 4 services. You have earlier stopped them, now start them, and after that close the windows and restart your system. And if you are also still receiving such type of message, then go to Windows Update page, right click on Start button and choose Settings. And here from the left side, go to Windows Update. And here from the right side, scroll down and you will find the option Update History. Open Windows Update History page and here look for any pin updates which is not successfully installed in your system. Note that particular update, KB update, which not installed in your system successfully. So note that KB update, simply copy it and close the windows. Open your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser. Here in search field, type Microsoft Update Catalog, press enter and click on first result, Microsoft Update Catalog. Open it and the KB update which you have copied not successfully installed in your system from Windows Update History, simply type here and click on search and manually download and install that particular Windows update which not successfully installed in your system. Download and install manually from Microsoft Update Catalog. That's all.